there, my name is Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path, and this is your Must Know Monday for Monday, January the 21st, 2019. So first off, happy Martin Luther King Day, and today there is supposed to be a full moon. So prepare your hearts, people, for the full moon. But while I was in Prague, one of the ladies who went on the trip, Alexa, gifted me something really neat that I wanted to show you how to make today. These, what we're going to call these, are just DIY bead letter pins. These little pins are going to be great if you don't necessarily, I showed the No More Oops bead tray, and although it's really cool, not everybody wants to spend that kind of money on a bead tray. So these are going to be really quick and easy DIY pins that you can make, that you can stick into your bead board to help identify all the different type of beads that you're going to be using for your project. Doesn't matter what kind of bead, you can use these for any type of bead. So let's go ahead and kind of go over what you're going to need. You're going to need some alphabet beads. Now I'm just using the acrylic plastic white round letter alphabet beads. I'm going to be using some corsage pins. So I actually found these at Walmart. You can find these probably at any craft store. They're just very generic, but they are just corsage pin. 25 come in a pack, and these are 2 inches long. They also make sewing pins that have the larger ball head on them that you could use as well. The only other thing you're going to need is you're going to need a size 8 seed bead. It's going to go below your letters, and then you're also going to need some glue. For my glue today, I'm going to be using like a Zap gel glue. You can pretty much use any kind of glue, just use your glue sparingly. So let's go ahead and get everything laid out and we'll get started. These here are the pins that Alexa gifted me, and you can see they start out at A and go all the way to H. Now this is just a piece of craft foam that she has stuck these in, and as you pull it out you can see that these are made to be our bead identifiers. So you could actually take, and so if this was my color A, I could put that right into my bead net so I would know I had A, B, C, D, and so forth on there. So these are really useful. I've already went ahead and glued my first one on here so I could kind of judge as to how much glue I would need. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your pin, and I'm using, like I said, the Zap gel glue, but you can use any type of glue you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to squeeze out a little of this Zap gel glue onto the very end here of my pin near where the little pearl end is, and I'm going to slide my letter bead on and slide it all the way down. Then I'm going to take a little bit more glue, put it right here at the base of where that letter is, and then I'm going to take now and thread on a size 8 seed bead and kind of push it all up together, and then I would lay it and let it dry. So one more time, real quick, we're going to put our glue here, slide on our next letter, put a little bit more glue, and then slide on our size 8 seed bead and lay there to let that one dry as well. And you can continue on. Well, let's get it on here. There we go. You can continue on doing however many letters you want until you have your desired amount of bead letter identifiers. So I hope you enjoyed this very easy and quick DIY bead letter identifier video. Thank you so much, Alexa, for gifting me these fun little pins so that I could show these to other beaders. Also, I wanted to let you know I have 3 sets of the A to Z letters that I want to do a giveaway for. It's really easy to enter. All you have to do is comment below telling me if you have a beading New Year's resolution. Is there a new stitch? Is there a new product? Anything like that that you want to use this year or learn how to do. comment on that below, and then in 2 weeks time from this video I will announce the winners. And again, it's going to be 3 winners, so go ahead and comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.